So we're gonna be installing a hardtop on a 993 Carrera cab. This is that's the hardtop. It's a factory, and yeah, we're just gonna put it on.
We should have, maybe we should have taken out the, that. Oh, because it's sitting on top of it. Yes. Hold on, that thing. You know what I'm saying? It's a cover. The cover. Okay, just a second. Hold on, where's my headlamps? Right, hold on. It's sealed on there, though. I mean, it's sealed properly, but we just need to check it. Just a second. Damn, man, the line's on it. Hold on. Fuck, where's my headlamp? Fuck, I left it in my car. Hold on. Somehow, we need to tilt it and sit it. You understand the matter? Yeah, and then lay it right for the front. Right, okay. And I think those tabs are adjustable, like they can bend to bring it to fit. Okay, let's go off and do the tabs. Fuck, why do you get on the side door? Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Okay, what? You gotta pull the tab out. You're still binding another. push the seal. Yes, seal in the channel. up right here, and then it'll suck down in here and it'll sit. I think you should screw it in, Max is right. Max is right. It'll just suck itself in. Once you get the back end, we'll get the front end, and then it'll zip itself. That's it. Because you have the seal already in place all around it. It's in the channel. Yep. Okay, let's try. Yeah, it'll suck itself in. It's pretty much right where it needs to be at this one. We just need to tighten it down because it's sitting.
So now we're just trying to get the seal to sit properly. And the attachment points are right there. But the spacer that they comes with is kind of thick. So you need to get those in line and seated properly without binding your seal. So these latches have to be facing up when you seat the top in order for it to sit right. Okay. So that one goes to the left and then that one goes to the right. Go in here in that panel right there as well, and that comes off, and then that should have it sealed perfectly. So I got it to sit down properly. There's still 6 bolts on each of the pillars where your seatbelts hook up to, and once you take off this panel right here on the side of the vehicle, you will be able to access those, and that will seat the top even more. It'll just suck down the seal on it, but it turned out real beautiful. Gives the car a whole different character. So we're gonna take off this panel and attach the 6 bolts to the piece that attaches to the seat belt, and it will provide more rigidity. Remove from the side, the 6 bolts go right down to the right side of the seal. You'll see some mounting points. So this is the pretty much the most difficult part, is lining up the 3 bolts on each side. The access to them is just so minimal, but once you get them all in there and lined up, you'll have it complete. So what we're doing on this one is we're tightening each side for each bolt. So you tighten one bolt on one side, and then you go over to the other side and tighten that same bolt. And we're hoping that will seal it properly and give us access to the outside bolt, which is the most difficult one to get to. And that's it. Get the seal.
Hi, how you doing? And if you're looking and just like, you know that that's a Porsche Hardtop original.
How do you tell the difference between if it's
The
original or
difference
not?
between Gimbalat, Dr. Maurice, or Strosek, they're all made out of composite. And the original one, you know, like that. You put a magnet on, it's all made out of iron. It's all made out of iron.
So there you have it. That's how you
Right
tell
there.
if it's an OEM factory hardtop or if it's a aftermarket, because
That's a
the factory ones come with the they're built out of iron instead of the composite materials.